Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Asana custom fields for better project reporting step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project where you want to update custom fields. Locate the Customize button typically found in the top right corner of the project view. Click on the Customize button to open the customization options. Scroll down to the Custom Fields section within. Here, you will see a list of current custom fields used in your project. To add a new custom field, click on the Add Field option. Choose the type of custom field you wish to create, such as a drop-down, text, or number field. Enter a name for your new custom field that reflects its purpose. If applicable, define the options for drop-down fields or set the necessary parameters for other types. Once you have entered all necessary details, click Create Field to add it to your project. To edit an existing custom field, find it in the list and click on the pencil icon next to it. Modify the field name or options as needed, then save your changes. To delete a custom field, click on the trash can icon next to the field you wish to remove. Confirm the deletion when prompted to ensure you want to proceed. After updating the fields, return to your project's main view to see changes reflected. Review the updated custom fields for accuracy and relevance to your project reporting needs. Share the updates with your team to ensure they are aware of any new or modified fields. Regularly revisit your custom fields to ensure they align with your project's evolving requirements. Using these updated custom fields will enhance your project reporting capabilities in Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.